What is good? What is good? What is good, my people? How you guys doing today, man? It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. Welcome back to another video, man. Today, we finally putting these bad boys on, man. It's been a while. It's been a good, I want to say, 2 months that these wheels have been here. If you guys don't know, my previous wide body was a little bit. These wheels are a little bit too wide for my old wide body. So the new wide body, which if you guys haven't seen that video yet, go watch that video first and come back to this one. But the new wide body is a bit wider, so these wheels should fit. I actually spec'd it out to the new wide body, so yeah. So I'm gonna put these back on today. Yo, I'm so excited to put these back on, bro. Damn, man. You see the lip? You see the 8-inch lip, bro? 8-inch lip. That is literally crazy. If you guys want a set of wheels like this, bro, 3-piece wheels, any set of wheels, hit up Gio on Instagram. He's the wheel plug. Tell him your boy Ruby Smooth sent you. That way, you know, next time, you know, I got a good deal on some wheels. You feel me? I still can't believe how good this kit looks, bro. If you guys have not watched the previous video, watch it, man. This kit is literally crazy. So these are actually the fender liners. These are actually made out of fiberglass. So these are actually solid, which looks pretty dope. And this is the stock one. I just took it out. So you guys can see all this was already cut out. So I kind of already needed a new one. The other side was even worse. So I'm gonna match whatever fits this. I'm gonna try to see which one it is. I don't even know. I think these already come like, they're not pre-drilled, but they show you where the holes are supposed to be. So I'm guessing these are where the stock holes are. I could be wrong though. So I think I found the one that comes right here. So yeah, these little, like, they're not pre-drilled, but they're marked out where you gotta drill them. And that's pretty much where the factory hole is. So you could put one of those. So you can put one of these clips back on right in the factory hole. They pretty much I'm pretty sure they left this open, you know, just in case you gotta get to your headlight or something, because this is solid. So I'm pretty sure, like, once you put it on, I'm sure you could take it off obviously, but just so it's easier access, which is pretty cool because of the fog lights is right here. The fog lights is right there, and your headlights is right here too, so easy access. Alright, so I finally got this side in. This thing is solid. This thing is not going anywhere. I used the factory holes right here, right there on the side, and then I made 2 holes in the bottom. And then, yeah, this thing is not going anywhere. So I'm gonna just put this side right here. And then, yeah, I just been using the factory hose. And then I got a bag of these clips right here, so, because the other ones break like nothing. So I just got a whole bag, and it's working out A1, bro. It's not, look, I'm telling you, it's not moving at all. In order to put these fender liners on, I gotta have the kit off. That way, because it's supposed to like tuck in behind this, and it's kind of uncomfortable since I have all these parts on. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna finish it today. I'm gonna just let it be for now until once I take off the kit to wrap it. Once everything is wrapped, I'll go ahead and put the fender liners on before I put the kit on. So I guess now I'm gonna just go upstairs, get the wheels, start test fitting, and see what's up. So I got these two wheels fitted up. There's one issue. The front wheels do not clear the brakes. Bro, it's like, oh my god, it's like a freaking hair. I kind of scratched out the caliper a little bit. I was rotating it a little bit to see if it's clear, but it doesn't. So I need like a 5mm spacer in the front to clear it. But by the looks of it so far, I'm gonna clear it for sure. I'll clear the front and the back, because the back right now I pretty much have the wheels straight, and once I air out, it's gonna camber in. With my previous wide body, the wheels were already like freaking 2 inches. So since I can't do nothing with the front right now, I put the stock wheels in the front, and then I got these in the back. So I just want to like air out, test fit the back at least. And then the back, I gotta fix the toe. The toe's off. I could really tell with the wide body on. But I'm gonna air out a little bit, see how it looks. Bruh, look at this fit, man, right now, bro. Perfect. I still gotta, the toe is like this way instead of being straight, but either way, bro, look at this. And I took out so much camber, so if I need to, which I don't, but I could adjust the camber any way I want, the toe any way I want, and that's gonna sit perfect. Let me show you guys the other side. Damn, what the bro, the fact that you can see all the tire thread right here too, holy freak. Damn, bro. This shit looks freaking crazy. So this is what I'm trying to go for. If I want, I could go a little bit closer just to like get it really tight, but I don't wanna fuck up the tire letters if I get close. But right here, bro, this shit looks nasty. Damn.
Day 2.
What up? How you doing? 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 Today's video is gonna be I don't want to say a sad video, but it's I'm gonna try to bring the G back to life, because as you guys know, if you guys watched my previous videos, this doesn't want to turn on, doesn't want to stay on when it does turn on. So again, my logic to this is that since the car has been sitting for so long, the battery has been completely drained out. So then the ECU, once I try to turn on the car, it's reading these intakes, and since it's not the stock intake, you know, it's not reading the right airflow, I guess. So it starts to like bog out, and then it turns off. Now my starter doesn't want to work. I think my starter shit the bed, so tomorrow I'm gonna get my starter. So I'm gonna do all that in this one video. Hopefully the car turns on, because the car's gonna be almost back on the road. The goal for today right now, I'm gonna take off the intakes I have now. I'm gonna put the stock boxes back on, and then tomorrow I'm gonna install the starter. Hopefully that fixes my issue. Shout out to Kenny on Instagram. He goes by OMG G37. I was talking to him about it, and he's good with all the electrical work and shit. So anything electrical for the car, he's the man. So I was talking to him about it, and he was telling me he was like going out of his way, researching all that stuff. Good looks, my G. Good looks, bro. Follow him on IG if you guys haven't seen his G. Nasty. He does some nasty ass music installs. If you guys live in Cali, hit him up. He's nice with it. He's nice with it. So I'm done. I got the 2 stock air boxes back on. I put the sensors back on. Man, if this don't work, bro, I have no idea. I literally have no idea what it could be. If you guys have any opinions on what it could be, comment down below, because again, I'm not a mechanic.
Day 3.
So it's been like couple days now, and my starter literally just right now just got here. What the heck? 10 free meals. What the heck? Good looks, bro. So I got this starter on eBay for like 85 bucks. I wasn't gonna spend freaking 300 bucks on the OEM one, cause I don't got 300 bucks right now to spend on a starter. Bro, this is not, if my car does not turn on after this, bro, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Right there. I can't really show you because I can't get my other arm over there. Damn. Look how I am, bro. This is so uncomfortable. But let me see, where are you? Anyways, the 2 bolts are right there. The harness is right there. So once you take off those 2 14s, there's another one. Oh my god, this is so uncomfortable. Let me just take this shit off. I'll show you guys after. So guys, I've been working on my starter, but it's literally impossible to take it out. So I kind of gave up on that. So I'm gonna put my front wheels on. I actually received the spacers today. So I bought 2 5mm spacers just to clear the brakes. This should be enough. So I'm gonna jack up the car and throw these on. So the 5mm spacers worked perfectly. There's a small ass gap, but it clears it perfect. Nothing hits. So I put the other wheel on as well. I'm gonna drop it, air it out, see how it looks. So this is the car all the way aired out. The fitment is like I got too much camber in the front, so it's not really that tight. But this kit right here, there's like a lip that goes all the way around, and if I take some of that camber out, I might hit it. So unless I cut the lip off like I did with my other one. But yo, this thing looks so mean, bro. Look how crazy this looks. Damn, then what the fuck is you talking about, man? Ice, ice, ice. Look at that. Yo, it looks nasty. What the? Oh my god. So I got the jump pack fully charged. Got it connected. I gotta leave it connected for like 5 minutes. Okay, it's time. I've never been so nervous to turn this car on. Oh my god. Please. Please, God. Please, God, be with me. I got goosebumps right now, bro. Please. Please, 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 please. Oh my god. You see? You see? You heard that? Fuck. I'm about to go buy a new battery right now. Yo, if my car don't turn on today, bro, it's for sale. We back. I ended up getting the Optima red top. Yeah. Let's go put this on. I'm pretty sure the car's gonna turn on, but what I'm thinking is the car gonna start bogging again and then turn off? I'm scared. What the fuck is this? Stay normal, stay normal, stay normal, stay normal. Stay normal. Stay normal, stay normal. Stay normal. Stay normal, bro. Guys, I think we're good to go. I think we're fucking good to go. Finally, bro. Damn. The idle is a little bit high right now because, you know, it's a cold start, but sounds good. Guys, it's working. Let's freaking go. You guys don't know how much weight is off my shoulder, bro. Holy crap, I am so fucking happy right now, bro. If you guys can't tell, I am so happy. 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 I'm so happy, man. So happy. So happy. I'm so happy. I don't get it.